Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, this is Shai Creates, where we create and beauty follows. And today I'm going to show you how I got this look with just using drugstore makeup products. First things first, we're going to start with e.l.f.'s matte putty primer, and it was only $10 at my local CVS store. And please ignore the friend I have on my face. I've been breaking out a lot lately. We just want to ignore her and act like she's not even there. Personally, I have never heard of this product before. I actually was looking for the Power Grip primer, but they were all out. So I just grabbed this one, just hoping for the best, and I'm so glad I did. It felt so cooling and creamy on my skin. I think I slathered a little bit too much, but that's how satisfying it felt on my skin, and it's definitely a good purchase. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows while I wait for it to settle into my face. The direction tells you to wait at least 30 seconds, and that's what I'm doing here. And now I'm going in with my LA Pro Concealer, the orange color corrector, and I'm going to go ahead and color correct my dark spots wherever I see fit. This product was $3 at CVS, but anywhere you see it, it's going to be no more than $5. And that's why I love LA Pro, because even though it's cheap, it gives full coverage and it gets the job done. For the foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline's Fit Me in shade 338, and it's only $10.49. Listen, I love the high-end stuff, but everybody loves to save a coin or two, especially now since everything is higher than giraffe, you know what. And the truth is, a lot of the drugstore products are just as good, if not better, than the high-end stuff a lot of the time. Fit Me has buildable coverage, and I'm using the matte Poreless because it is summer and I have combination skin. Now I'm going to take my LA Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, and I'm going to place it in my highlight areas, under my eyes, my bridge of my nose, my lip area, forehead, etc. And again, it was only $3. You cannot beat that. Not with this quality. It has good coverage and it blends out very, very well. So I decided to do something that I never do. I don't know why I never do it, but that is to highlight my eyebrows as well. Something new I want to do just to see if I can get that more defined look. And I'm glad I did, because it definitely brought my look up a notch. And for my contour, I'm going to use my black Radiance concealer stick in 8003 Dark. And this was also only $3. She glides down the skin very, very smoothly, and she also blends out very well. This was one of the purchases I was really excited about, because I never use cream contour. I've always been a powder girl, but I really like this. I think I'll be using this more often. And for my blush, I'll be using my e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in the shade Pinky Promise. And not too long ago, this went viral for being a dupe for Rare Beauty blushes, which is $23. And this only cost me $7 at CVS. So right here, I'm just blending out everything, making sure everything is good before I put the powder on top. And I am using Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder. And I'm going to rub the excess off before I place it under my eye and everywhere else that I place my concealer. Now I'm going to take my Holy Grail contour palette from the same brand. I've used this up so much that it's time for me to get a new one. As you can see, it is my go-to for my contour powders. And we're going to just go ahead and put that where I put the cream contour on earlier. After that, I'm going to take Juvia's Saharan blush palette, and I'm going to use the pink Zane color to bring back the color in my cheeks. And I want to be very careful because it's a high pigmented blush. Juvia Place is not really a drugstore brand, but it is very affordable. I believe this palette was between $11 to $13 when I bought it. Now, this is another holy grail of mine, which is a True Match Loreal, and this is in the shade N7 Classic Tan, and it's only $11. This is pretty much the only powder foundation I use on a daily basis. It does something for me, so if it ain't broken, don't try to fix it. And then I just place that all over the remaining areas that has not been touched. This is also where I take the opportunity to calm my blush down if I feel like I put on too much. Okay, so now it's time to move on to the eyes, and I'm going to prime my eyes with the LA Pro Concealer. And I was looking for e.l.f. Lock It Down eyeshadow primer, but they were out, so I just stuck with what I knew. And I'm going to use another Juvia eyeshadow palette, the Coffee Shop, and I'm going to start with that color just to place it into my crease. And I'm going to use this palette for the entire eye, except for the shimmering part at the end. This palette is $25 on Juvia's Place website, but Ulta also carries it. The shades don't have any names to them, so you will see me from here on out point at the shades that I'm using, if you were wondering. So this has been my most favorite purchase of all the things I got from CVS. Because look at this. Look at this. It's the LA Girl Dream Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow in Iridescent. And I personally feel like it's an Iridescent type of summer. It's not chunky. It has a nice sheen to it. I just think it's so gorgeous on me. And it was only $6. Next, I'm going to take my Revlon Colorstay eyeliner and I'm going to line my eyelid. And I didn't want to do too much of a wing. I just wanted to keep it nice and simple. Now I'm going to take my NYX Glow Shot eyeshadow and place it in the inner corners like I usually do. And I believe I got mine from Ulta Beauty, but they also carry it at Target, and this was $6. Okay, and for my mascara, I'm going to use Scandaleyes Eyes by Rimmel, London, which was $10. I usually do this step before the next one, but I forgot. But I'm going to take my e.l.f. Stay All Night Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray it all over. It sprays on so easy, and it smells amazing. It doesn't have an overwhelming chemical smell, and for some reason, it reminds me of cucumber water. If cucumber water have a smell. And I got it for only $10 at my CVS store. And for my lips, as always, I'm using my NYX Lip Pencil in Cafe Coffee to line my lips. And I'm just going to keep it nice and simple. And then I'm going to take my NYX Butter Gloss in Marshmallow and place it on top. And for the last step, I did not show it here. I just do on some lashes. My favorite is Ardell Naked Lashes. And it was only $5 from my local beauty store. And here is the final look. This is definitely giving me the shimmery summer vibes that I'm looking for this summer. And I am definitely feeling myself. So don't be afraid to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think. Thank you. Until next time. Bye.